In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about mastering HubSpot sequences. HubSpot sequences are a powerful tool designed to help you automate personalized, timed emails and follow-up tasks while maintaining that essential human touch. The magic of this tool is that as soon as a contact replies to your message or books a meeting with you, they are automatically unenrolled from the sequence. This feature ensures your outreach remains both relevant and efficient without overwhelming your contacts with unnecessary emails. To get started, you'll first need to access the Sequences tool within your HubSpot portal. To do this, simply navigate to the Sales section and then click on Sequences. Once you're there, you'll have the option to create a new sequence either from scratch or by selecting a pre-made template that suits your needs. Next, it's time to add steps to your sequence. This is where your strategy really comes to life. Click on the plus icon to begin adding steps. You can choose to incorporate automated emails, which can use existing templates, or you can create new ones specifically for this sequence. Manual tasks are another great option, allowing you to engage more deeply by sending a custom email or making a personal phone call. Additionally, you might consider setting a call or general task. And if you're working with Sales Navigator, you can even include a LinkedIn in-mail or connection task. Make sure to set appropriate delays between these steps, keeping in mind that you can space them out over a period of up to 90 business days to ensure they align with your overall communication plan. Once you've crafted your sequence, it's important to give it a clear and concise name. This not only helps you stay organized, but also aids your team in understanding the purpose of the sequence at a glance if you decide to share it. Speaking of sharing, you'll need to choose whether this sequence is for your eyes only, or if you want it to be accessible by your team. After you've made these decisions, be sure to click Save. Now that your sequence is ready to go, it's time to enroll your contacts. You can do this on an individual basis by navigating to their contact record within HubSpot. The system will then handle sending out emails and setting task reminders. The beauty of this is that if a contact responds or sets up a meeting with you, they're gracefully removed from the sequence, keeping the communication timely and topical. Completing manual tasks is just as straightforward. If the task is in a queue, all you need to do is head over to CRM, then Tasks, and click on the task you're ready to tackle. This action opens an email draft complete with your pre-designed template. If a task didn't make it to the queue, simply go to the individual's contact record, review the relevant information, and send your message manually. Finally, tracking the performance of your sequences is key to optimizing your strategy. By visiting the Analyze tab under Sequences, you can dive into metrics like enrollments, meeting rates, open and reply rates, as well as bounce and unsubscribe rates. If you're an enterprise account user, you even have access to data on deals created or closed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting the most out of HubSpot sequences. With these insights and steps, you're well on your way to creating meaningful, efficient, and effective communication strategies.